So we are going to our first trip through the flight in 2020.
Hi friends, welcome back. And this time I'm taking you to Eastern India in Patna. Finally that moment has arrived and during pandemic we have to take up a flight. Let's see how this experience is going to be.
Because they might ask for it जब आप
और क्या नए changes हैं?
And I think आपको लगेज टैक्स है वो आपको खुद प्रिंट आउट लेनी है फ्रॉम द कियोस्क और उसको लगेज पे आपको स्टिक करना है एंड देन लगेज ड्रॉप ऑफ पे आपको खुद जाके ड्रॉप ऑफ करना है.
From Delhi it's around 1.5 hour flight and we are keeping our fingers crossed. सबसे पहले एयरपोर्ट पे जाकर के एंट्रेंस पे there was this huge line which I have never seen before. So these yellow marks are for the distance and I don't know if all are following it. Only few are, but I am following it. Since everything was supposed to be contactless, I was carrying my sanitizer and we were showing our IDs from far away. Check-in counters पर there was again a very huge line and it took us a while to reach for our paperwork. So if you're sitting in the middle seat then you have to wear this. After few hours we reached the final place and we were given these robes to wear if you're sitting in the middle seat. It seems everybody has started to fly. The flight was packed and we were given this kit with hand sanitizer and mask. I was wearing face shield and N95 mask all the time and it was a very different experience. The issue was the terminal 56 was really far away, so we had to run. It's like going from 1 to 56 terminals and there was no help, it was crowded. But anyhow we reached. Finally the flight takes off. I don't know when will this 1.5 hour get over as I was getting very anxious with all the headgear and mask. I salute the aircraft team, they are also the warriors in this pandemic. Finally we reached Patna. Watching the city from above and landing, it was such a relaxing feeling. Super crowded lanes and airport was a little panicky feeling for me. It was something that I have never experienced before. So this is Patna. We reached our home and it was a relaxing evening. Sunset हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Weather दिल्ली से better है. Rooftop पे है, गर्मी नहीं है. तो अच्छा. Welcome to Patna, the capital of Bihar. Ganga Nadi ke kinare this city is being set up. This is Golghar, one of the prominent tourist landmark of this city. There are various other landmarks including the museum and various ghats. There is Gandhi Setu, Buddha Smriti Park and various other places. मुझे पटना के टेम्पल्स बहुत पसंद है. One of the first visit I planned was at Danapur at this famous Durga Mata temple. रोहित ये पुराना पौराणिक मंदिर.
हाँ ये हमारा एक्चुअली पटना से अबाउट 10 किलोमीटर्स दानापुर कैंटोनमेंट में है और ये हमारा पुश्तैनी कुल देवी का एक्चुअली मंदिर है. एंड ये दोनों मूर्ति आई थिंक दीदी ने बोला इट्स लाइक 100 years old जो नेक्स्ट वाली मूर्ति है. दिस इज ऑल्सो आई थिंक अबाउट 80-90 years old.
पटना में काफ़ी सारे हनुमान टेम्पल हैं which are very famous. This one is also one of the important Hanuman temple that we visited. पहली विजिट्स में पटना में मैंने काफ़ी टूरिस्टी प्लेसेस देखी. दिस टाइम इट वॉज मोर लेड बैक एज आई वॉज विजिटिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट टेम्पल्स. गंगा नदी के घाट पे काफ़ी सारे ब्रिजेस बन गए हैं. ओल्ड पटना साइड दैट इज़ पटना सिटी के पास हम लोग काली घाट गए. गंगा नदी के किनारे मुझे बनारस की याद आ रही थी. ये घाट पटना यूनिवर्सिटी के किनारे है. दिस इज़ दरभंगा हाउस. मुझे विजिट करना था वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एंशिएंट एंड फेमस काली मंदिर. यह टेम्पल बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअल था. ये मंदिर का परिसर है. ये काली मंदिर के बारे में आपको पता है कि कितना पुराना है?
इतना तो नहीं पता लेकिन बहुत पुराना है.
दरभंगा हाउस है उसी का काली मंदिर का पार्ट है. कुछ कॉलेज का भी कोई
मंदिर में कॉलेज बना हुआ है.
मंदिर का
सारा मंदिर है.
काफ़ी सारे टेम्पल विजिट और वर्शिपिंग के बाद इट वॉज टाइम टू रिलैक्स ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर गंगा. यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट काफ़ी पीसफुल था. पटना शहर में काफ़ी सारे मंदिर हैं एंड वी विजिटेड अनदर फेमस मंदिर एंड आफ्टर दैट वी वर जस्ट डूइंग स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग. शहर में ड्राइव करते टाइम आपको वॉल्स पे ये ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग्स नजर आएंगी विच आर एक्चुअली मधुबनी आर्ट. मुझे पैंडेमिक से पहले वाला पटना याद आ रहा था. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई प्रीवियस विजिट जब यहाँ पर छठ पूजा के टाइम पे गंगा किनारे तैयारी चल रही थी. This trip was done few years back. (2020) में सब कुछ बहुत बदल गया था. I was again remembering one of my previous trip when I planned a road trip to nearby destination that is Bodh Gaya.
इसमें आप फोटो खींचने के लिए नंबर देना है.
बोध गया सबसे प्राइम बुद्धिस्ट लोकेशन है. ये अराउंड 100 किलोमीटर दूर है पटना से एंड इट टुक अस अराउंड 4 hours to reach here. Bhagwan Buddha attained his enlightenment under a Bodhi tree. That tree is in Bodh Gaya. That tree is inside the temple which is called as Mahabodhi complex. This makes Bodh Gaya one of the most important pilgrimage site for Buddhists. Since Buddhism is followed around the world, especially Asia, temples from various countries were built in this place. This one is from Japan. Suddenly मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि I was visiting outside India. This big Buddha structure was reminding me of Thailand. India has everything. मैंने बोध गया विजिट और यहाँ के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में एक ब्लॉग में शेयर किया है. प्लीज़ डू चेक इट ऑन माई वेबसाइट. Since सारी एशियन कंट्रीज में बुद्धिस्ट आर्किटेक्चर वेरीज अ लिटिल बिट, it was a beautiful experience to see all that architecture being produced in one place. Thailand, Burma, Bhutan, China, Japan, you name it, and various temples from around the world were found in these places. Guys, that sums up my visit to Patna this side. Earlier I could enjoy so much of street food, but right now due to pandemic, all I was looking forward was a peaceful flight back home. But look at this huge line. मुझे लगा था कि in few minutes I will be in the check-in counter, but it took me more than an hour. There were huge queues and people were in rush. So every time I do a social distancing, people are crossing thinking it's a gateway. तो इसी के साथ मेरा फर्स्ट फ्लाइट एक्सपीरियंस आफ्टर पेंडेमिक ख़त्म होता है. How did you enjoy this vlog? Please let me know in the comment section.
The Joker from the bathroom. Why does no matter? Joker. Space time fit.
Patna airport was as crowded as Delhi airport. So will you be flying in this pandemic time? Do let me know. Welcome back to Delhi. If you like my vlog, please subscribe to my channel and share it ahead.